Okay, this is part 284C3M1b7c8e13c8a. It's line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c8a. Piezoelectricity crystals, quantum transport formulas, UFO 5G Wow Seti. This is the alien radio signal. This one's quite detailed what's in it. It's a UFO core ship. The UFO core spaceship engine formulas combined from all data, ideas, inventions from lines 1 to 22 so far that are coming to mind. First of two videos, second is a cross-reference. I'm running out of battery power. So the first of the two videos, second is cross-reference propane formulas found in the Wow Seti alien radio signal from lines 22. I'll be doing a cross-reference for fuel and propane formulas in the future. Cross-reference July the 10th, 2012. Cracking with powder alloys, fuel formula. Line 22f1fd is not filmed yet. And line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c8a. Okay, I kind of ran out of battery power there. This is part 284C3M1b7c8e13c8a. This is the second part of the first video. Line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c8a. Piezoelectricity crystals, quantum transport formula, UFO 5G Wow Seti. Okay, so I was talking about what's in this video. There's a lot. See my notes? Lots. Okay, so there's a UFO core spaceship formula combined from all the data, ideas, inventions, lines 1 to 22 so far that come to mind. First of the two videos. Second is cross-reference propane formulas found in the Wow Alien Seti signal data videos, lines 22. What I have to do is a cross-reference of fuel and propane formulas and future cross-reference July 10th, 2012, cracking with powder alloys fuel formula. And that's at line 22f1fd. It's not filmed yet. So the other two videos that go with this one are line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c8a, which is this one. And the next one is line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c8b, which will be the next one that I film. The keyword is propane core engine formulas, UFO 5G Wow Seti. So I kind of divided it into two. Okay, so December 7th, 2012 is when I started working on the original data, and today's January 3rd, 2013. The keywords that I'm going to be researching from a previous video from line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13a, quantum transport, Nanodevices, UFO 5G Wow Seti. Line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c7. Quasi crystals, Tetrahedron, core, UFO 5G Wow Seti was the last video we looked at. Sorry, the keyword piezoelectricity, quote from Wiki, piezoelectricity is the charge that accumulates in a certain solid material, notably crystals, certain ceramics, and biological matter such as bone, DNA, and various proteins, in response to applied mechanical stress. The word piezoelectricity means electricity resulting from pressure. It is derived from the Greek, which means to squeeze or press an electric or electron. It stands for amber, an ancient source of electric charge. Piezoelectricity was discovered in 1880 by French physicist Jacques and Pierre Curie. Piezoelectric effect is understood as a linear electromechanical interaction between the mechanical and the electrical state in crystalline materials with no inversion symmetry. The piezoelectric effect is a reversible process in that materials exhibiting the direct piezoelectric effect, the internal generation of electrical charge resulting from an applied mechanical force, also exhibit the reverse piezoelectric effect, the internal generation of a mechanical strain resulting from an applied electrical field. For example, lead, zirconite, titanate crystals will generate measurably piezoelectricity. See, I never knew that crystals could generate electricity, so this was kind of cool. When their static structure is deformed by about 0.1% of the original dimension. Conversely, those same crystals will change about 0.1% of their static dimension when an external electric field is applied to the material. The inverse piezoelectric effect is used in production of ultrasonic sound waves. Piezoelectricity is found in useful applications such as the production and detection of sound, generation of high voltages, electronic frequency generation, which is something we can use for deep space. We'll add it to the deep space invention we're working on. Microbalances and ultrafine focusing of optical assemblies. It is also the basis of a number of scientific instrumental techniques with atomic resolution, the scanning probe microscopy such as STM, AFM, MTA, SNOM, and everyday uses such as acting as the ignition source for cigarette lighters and push-start propane barbecues. January 2nd, 2000, my thoughts. The formula from all data so far in the WOW alien radio signal for core UFO engines plus ideas and thoughts. This is just basically off the top of my head what we've been covering so far in the videos, and I'm just putting them together as part of a formula. As you can see, it's quite extensive. Okay, so please bear with me. We have the piezoelectricity, crystal ceramics. This came up earlier in the WOW data used as a semiconductor to generate electricity in particles. Mechanical stress, proteins, ligands, pressure, effects of collisions of particles in dark matter and Higgs field with the Higgs mass boson particles. 5 axial forces, magnetic force, vapor gun formulas and inventions in line 22. Electron, amber, ancient sources, electric charge, lodestones, hematite, magnetic forces, matter, antimatter. Linear electromechanical interaction between mechanical, electrical state, crystalline materials, stones, spears, obsidian mirrors, xenon, X-rays, microwaves, visible light, speed of light, laser beam inventions, turbine, line 16 to 22. I'm not going to go through the whole thing. I'll copy and paste this in the info if it fits, okay? If not, it'll go on the blog post for you. Liquid argon gas, cooled plasma, neutrinos mixture, fermions, leptons, I keep doing this wrong. Quadrupoles. Monopoles. Oh, I did it wrong again. There. Monopole magnets. Supposed to be one word. Split leptons, 2/3 power, inversion symmetry, spectral radiance designs and formulas in line 22. Add the reversible process. Reverse the alien radio signal formula 6EQUJ5 in line 22. Alien radio signal data. Generate an electrical charge, Higgs field, electric emissions, internal generator, electrical charge, split atoms. Atomic nuclear fusion formulas are also in lines 20 to 22. Applied mechanical force, collision of particles, graphite films, crystal lattice formulas, carbon-copper atoms, carbon nanotubes, vacuum effect, Euclidean math equations, Minkowski space, dark matter particle collision formulas with neutrinos split into 4 quarks with a mass particle formulas. Electric Higgs boson field, 2 photon transport power, mass particles, rotation, original dimension, 3D and 4th dimension physics. Add the lead zirconate titanium crystals. Take the lead zirconate crystals, add static with the Higgs field electrical field. Deform 0.1% to the original dimension. Crystals change 0.1% static dimension. External electric Higgs field, applied material, collided particles from neutrino mixture, adding the liquid argon gas, laser pencil beam formula, line 22. Add an ultrasonic sound wave, solfeggio tones, vibration to vibrate your crystals, generate power, collision of particles. Detection of sound, deep space communications device formulas, line 22. See the cross-reference video. Sound generation, generate high voltage, electronic frequency, microbalances, ultrafine. Focusing. Optical assemblies, vapor gun invention, deep space communication device, electricity Higgs field generator between core and rotating shell of UFO spaceship designs, lines 1. Shows of the WOW alien radio signal data, shows a sketch of what it looks like. Scientific instrumental techniques, atomic resolution, scanning probe microscopies, X-rays, pencil beams, student theories in line 22. Fuel formulas from the WOW in line 22 data. STM, AFM, MTA, SNOM. I'll be Googling that to find out what those stand for. Ignition source, jet propulsion, alien technology, NASA, Atlas, CERN. Results go in with the mini Boone experiment. All data needs to be combined. And a push start propane mixture and well alien radio signal is going to be, there's a cross-reference video about that. Okay? So January 2nd, my thoughts. The cross-reference keyword propane from video. Line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c8a. Piezoelectricity crystals, quantum, transport formulas, UFO 5G Wow Seti. For the core UFO spaceship engine formulas from this video, from lines 1 to 22, the well alien radio signal data with formulas, PDFs, students, scientists, and physics people, their theories and inventions, and also their test results. White papers, physics, chemistry, chemical, nuclear, and math equations to be filmed in the next video that's going to be called Line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c8b. Keyword propane, core engine formulas, UFO 5G Wow Seti. Okay, we'll see you over there. Thanks.